Okay, I don't know if you can see me because I can't see anything. I put eye drops in my eyeballs. Now, this flower is different from this flower. I planted morning glories with it so I get more bees to pollinate that one. Isn't that beautiful right there? Oh, God. And like I said, it's been a battle over here. If you take a look at my garden, it's from smoke damage. I do plant morning glories with my other plants, but my cucumbers had it and a few other things had it. So anyway, people are asking me, yeah, I have a few things bolting. My shiso is bolting right over here. Eggplant's about to bot the farm. I do have other things. It's a mess, sorry. I still gotta wait until everything finished blooming, then I'm going to transplant. I do have a few things that I keep separate. And if you notice, trying to recover, that really bought the farm, but these two did pretty good. I kept them separate from everything. Now I want to show you guys something. If I can get over there. Okay. They wash these collectors. All my neighbors have solar collectors, and that's all the ash content you see on top of them. And that white stuff isn't snow, that's ash. And they keep spraying it down, but I don't think we're going to win the battle. Today's like 65 in air quality. First day I could walk outside without a mask. Most of my tomato plants bought it. Roses are doing good, but everything's bolting and oh God, what a mess. I have a few other things. I got a few other plans I gotta do. Roses are doing good. They're blooming. These are my miniatures. Tiny little roses. But like I said, just busy. Yeah, birds flew off the water thing, so I'm heading back inside. I got a few things. That's it on the garden update. I got a plan for winter because yeah, it's still too warm and everything's bolting. You would not believe. Catch you later, folks. If I can see the damn controls, I can't. Oop, I have to get someplace where I can see it. What a mess. Not very good this year on my garden. My microgreens got poached by every bird in the neighborhood because I used the little pots. Oh, there we go.